Data is everything. It fuels decisions, drives automation, and, let's be honest, makes or breaks a business. But here's the kicker. Bad data is everywhere, and it's costing companies millions. You think you're making data-driven decisions, but if your data is incomplete, inconsistent, or just plain wrong, then guess what? You're making bad decisions with extra confidence. So let's talk about data quality, what it is, why it matters, and how to ensure your data is fit for use. At its core, data quality is about making sure your data is accurate, consistent, and actually useful. Imagine running an ad campaign where half your audience data is outdated and the other half is full of duplicates. That's like trying to drive with a shattered windshield. First up, accuracy. If your numbers are off, your whole strategy is basically built on sand. Then there's completeness. Are you missing any data points? If your data isn't telling you the full picture, you end up with misleading reports and useless forecasts. Consistency is a big one too. If one system logs dates as month, day, year, and another uses day, month, year, you'll struggle to compare any of your data sets and, again, end up with misleading insights. You also want your data to be timely. Outdated info is almost as bad as wrong info. It should be unique, no duplicates floating around and throwing off your analytics. And finally, it has to be valid, meaning it follows the right format. If your data fails at any of these, your analytics, AI models, and even simple reports could be misleading. And misleading data leads to bad decisions. Most bad data isn't created on purpose. It just happens. Manual data entry is one of the biggest culprits. Anytime a human types something in, there's a chance they'll mess it up. Different systems storing data in different formats also cause havoc. Marketing, sales, and finance teams often collect data separately, and when those sources don't match up, you've got a data silo problem. Then there's old data just sitting around like customer lists, still packed with people who unsubscribed years ago. And let's not forget duplicate entries. If someone enters John Doe in one system and J Doe in another, suddenly he's two different customers, which throws everything off. And small issues inevitably snowball into big ones. A mistyped email address means someone never gets their confirmation email. Multiply that by thousands, and suddenly your retention rates will drop. Gartner estimates that poor data quality costs organizations an average of $12.9 million every year. That's from lost productivity, wasted marketing spend, and missed opportunities. The biggest issue? Bad decisions. If your data's flawed, your data-driven strategy is too. It also creates a ton of inefficiencies. Teams end up spending hours fixing errors instead of actually growing the business. And then there's the lost revenue. Mistargeted campaigns, broken automations, bad customer insights, it all adds up. First, run a data audit. You can't fix what you don't know is broken. So, start by figuring out where the biggest issues are. Second, set some ground rules. Standardizing how data gets entered helps stop inconsistencies before they even start. Third, automate. Use tools that validate, clean, and deduplicate your data before it even hits your system. Fourth, break down silos. If different teams are using their own databases, it's time to get everyone on the same page with a single source of truth. And finally, keep an eye on it. Data quality isn't a one-time fix. It's something you need to monitor and maintain over time. If you're making decisions based on poor quality data, you might as well be guessing. This is especially crucial in a world where conversational and agentic AI are becoming commonplace tools. But as useful as these tools are, AI will have the same problems as you will if it's working with poor quality data. Ultimately, the most advanced AI in the world can only give you flawed insights and misleading reports if the data it has is inaccurate. So, if you're using or planning to use AI to support your marketing efforts, remember, high-quality data isn't just a nice to have, it's the foundation of every successful business. We hope this video helps. If it did, hit the like button and subscribe for more insights on making smarter, data-driven decisions. If you'd like to learn how Adverity can help you ensure data quality, head over to www.adverity.com and book a demo with one of our experts.